Hi everyone, so I've just received this through the post. I'm going to open this and let you guys see what is inside. So this is the Insta360 Dual Lens 360 Mod Sticky Lens Guard. This is out of stock everywhere, including the official 360 store, but I've managed to find some on AliExpress. So what's inside? It's one, two. I presume is the stickers and the manual. Yeah, so what's included? It's 2x lens guard and double-sided adhesive. Oh, times 6. So I presume that's one pair, two pair, and another one it's attached on applied to the lens guard already. I'm going to show you how I install this screen protector. First thing I'm going to do is take a lens wipe. This is really good. You can get it for really cheap. I recommend every photographer should have them. So it's basically alcohol wipe. Just wipe the glass and the body, because I think that's where the sticky tape is going to be. So next I'm going to do is use a blower to blow it. The instruction says that we need to make sure the orientation is right. So I think this should be the orientation. I'm just gonna check whether there's any dust or anything. Not that I can see, so I'm just going to remove that. I think it's like that. Align it, and it's a case of pressing it down. Not sure whether you can see, but it's not pressed against the actual lens itself. There is some sort of a gap there. So what I'm going to do is just press down here. And because, I was doing that, so I need to clean it again. But once it's done, wipe with the same lens wipe. That should do it. And this is how it looks when it's fitted to the case. It doesn't interfere with the case at all. Initial impression is they are quite good compared to the original clip-on screen protector. if you're wondering whether the silicone screen protector can fit, this shows that it can, but barely. You could see that some parts are not covered, but it worked. Could push in further, but it will just play up. So I think I'll just leave it as it is. And the benefit that I can think of is that it applies pressure to the adhesive, so it keeps the lens protector stuck onto the lens module itself. So yeah, I would keep it in if I'm not using it.